place to be. Don't forget to take care of your mother and your waitress. Oh, they've done an amazing job. I want you guys to stay tuned because so coming up after us. But first, I want to introduce you to the members of Pure Energy. That's who we are. On bass, giving us a nice little groove that's going on. I want to introduce you. Okay. And of course, give us that wonderful timing on the drums, giving it a nice percussive sound. And introduce you to the infamous Addicts. And of course, on guitar, we have someone I had 20 years with. I want to introduce you to the one and only Dirty. And of course, my name is Corey. I'm up here just singing those little lyrics, giving those tunes, playing the guitar. I'm having a lot of fun. Thanks to you guys for coming out. Oh, what a great show. This song is called Acid Rain. We got one more after this called Embrace the Rose.